How to find security settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find security settings on Android phone. First in open settings, and now just scroll down until you find here you will find it, this one, security. And as you see here, you can manage security settings, and you can even just click more settings, and here you can find more security settings. And that's it, that's how to find it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.